Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. So you applied the subdivision modifier in your mesh and it became way too high polar for you. Or maybe just some areas has way too many edge loops than you intended in the first place. But you don't know how to unsubdivide it again without losing detail or messing the flow of the mesh. You tried the decimate modifier, but sometimes it works and sometimes it totally messes up the object and the flow of the mesh. You tried the remesh modifier, it destroyed your object and your computer. Well, the solution is quite simple. You don't need any of those modifiers. Blender offers a bunch of cool tricks you can use to unsubdivide object efficiently and very quickly. So without further ado, go into edit mode, pick edge select all the vertical edges between two loops on any part of your mesh. Go to the select menu, pick checker deselect. Make sure the ratio of the selected to the deselected are 1 to 1. Confirm that the middle line of your object is not selected by adjusting the offset. Go to the select menu again and select loops and pick edge loops. Okay, now every other edge loop is selected. All you have to do is dissolve edges. And that's it. Now you have half the number of edge loops you had on your object without losing any detail. You can do the same for the horizontal loops and you will have half the number of faces you had on your mesh without losing anything in the process. It's a very quick and handy way of unsubdividing without relying too much on the modifiers that messes up your object, and you can repeat it as many times as you need. So that was all for this week's tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next video.